Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can join the Temu affiliate program. So let's get right into it. Now, the good news that I have in regards to this is you don't need to open up a separate account for this. You can just join the affiliate program by just sharing their links very easily. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to the Temu main page on their main web page, and then you need to scroll all the way down until you get to this here bottom section. Then as you can see, you have the affiliate and influencer program. So just click on that and open up a new page. And once you're here, as you can see, you have these options. Now, as you can see under affiliate, you can earn money from this. You can earn 5 to 20% commission. And you also have a download reward for every referral who downloads the app and places an order within 30 days of downloading. So you can very easily use this. And as you can see, you might already have some currency available with you, which you can withdraw via PayPal, and that's pretty much it. Now, to become an affiliate, all you need to do is just share the links to Temu, and as you can see, you can get a £100 coupon bundle, £0 gifts, etc., etc. And you have your general link and your deep link, and all you have to do to share these to become an affiliate and earn the commission and download rewards is pretty much just click on share, and you'll be able to share it via a couple of different channels. You can copy the link, you can copy the deep link or share items, and you can also post it to your story, which they recommend because it has the most reach. You have Instagram, email, X, Facebook, and Pinterest. However, if you copy the link, you can pretty much share it and send it via any text messaging app that you have, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.